Stop taking turmeric supplements until you hear this. You've been told that turmeric is the ultimate miracle spice, a natural cure-all that cleanses your gut, shields your heart, and wipes out joint pain. Influencers call it a superfood, and billions are spent on golden milk, turmeric shots, and high-dose curcumin capsules. But modern medical science is now exposing a dark side to this multi-billion-dollar hype that almost nobody is talking about. Here is what the marketing tells you. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound proven in labs to fight chronic inflammation. When you consume it, it is supposed to reduce swelling in painful joints, soothe gut inflammation, and protect your blood vessels from long-term damage. On paper, it sounds like an invincible shield for your internal organs. So, where does the dangerous catch come in? The reality is that your body was never built to absorb curcumin. In fact, when you consume normal turmeric, nearly 99% of it is destroyed in your gut and flushed out before it ever reaches your bloodstream or vital organs. The promised organ-healing magic. In humans, it barely even gets in. To fix this, supplement companies engineered megadose capsules mixed with black pepper extract to force-feed massive amounts of curcumin directly into your bloodstream. But this is where the real danger begins. Recent clinical studies have linked these hyper-concentrated, high-absorption supplements to sudden, documented cases of severe liver stress and liver toxicity. By trying to cheat nature and overload the system, people are unknowingly putting one of their most critical internal organs at serious risk. So, does this mean turmeric is bad for you? Absolutely not. When you use real turmeric as a spice in your daily cooking, curries, or teas, it is completely safe, gentle, and packed with balanced, natural antioxidants. The real danger is the unverified, megadose supplements promising overnight miracles. Eat the real spice, respect your body's natural balance, and stop falling for the megadose trap. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button right now and share it with someone who takes daily supplements. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more evidence-based health truths that the industry won't tell you. Your liver will thank you for it.